Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can change a background in Notability. So let's get straight into it. So go here at the top right corner where is this monitor, click on it, and then go here to template settings right over here. Now you have here, you will be redirected directly where your current template is. Now you have here 4 options, so let's go with this dot, and also we can change colors to it. So let's do that. So I will change, it doesn't matter which one, so let's go with that one and apply at the top right corner. And now as you can see, we have applied the background color also to our notes. Now I will select a little bit more nicer color, so something like that. And as you can see, now we have changed our background in Notability. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next